You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab. Starting from Green Park on Arvind Marg in South Delhi, one can travel through Arvind Market to Hauz Khas, where the notable Sri Jagannath temple is found on the left side of the road. This temple is famous for its beautiful craftsmanship. The deity Sri Balbhadra, Sri Jagannath, and goddess Subhadra are worshipped in the Ratnavedi, along with Mahaprabhu Sri Sudarshan and Sri Ganesh at the entrance. Let's now look at the events from 2024 and last year, including the Janyatra and other celebrations, as shared by our representative from New Delhi, Mr. Lakshmi Narayan Beborta. 1. On 1st January 2024, many Oriya immigrant families wish for happiness and peace in the new year. People in Delhi visit the temple to honor Shri Vigrahas and seek blessings. The Shri Neelachal Seva Sangh decorated the Shri Jagannath temple with flowers and provided meals for everyone. Union Minister Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan and local MLA Mr. Somnath Bharti visited the temple.
राज्य तथा समग्र देश चलचल चली उठी 2023 को विदाय दे 2024 स्वागत करे सो राज्यवासी प्रवासी ओडिया को कौन वार्ता देबे
ये जगन्नाथ मंदिर हाउस का सुपर अभी प्रदान करछि तो हमारा समस्त जो इंग्रजी नववर्षर समस्त को हार्दिक माने धन्यवाद आउ जगन्नाथ को आशीर्वाद करंतु जे जगत नाथ जगन्नाथ से समस्त एई बड़ी वर्ष सारा जो वर्ष इंग्रजी नववर्ष समस्त जगन्नाथ को दर्शन करने प्राय 10,000 ऊर्ध्व लोक आसी दर्शन कर प्रसाद व्यवस्था भी है समस्ते प्रसाद पाई ये कहीं फेरबे नहीं तो से जो व्यवस्था कमिटी तरफ रही प्रति वर्ष बड़ी लोक संख्या बढ़ी चली जगन्नाथ आमर लास्ट जगन्नाथ आशीर्वाद करूँ यही माने लोक संख्या जगन्नाथ प्रति प्रेम बढ़ी चलू आड़िया सत्य नन ओडिया लोक भी बहुत आसुँच जोटा कि कोविड पर ये संख्या बढ़ी और समस्त को जगन्नाथ आशीर्वाद करें
2023 पूर्व संपादक भाव दायित्व ग्रहण कर मंदिर नूतन कार्यक्रम कौन स्वप्न देखते
स्वप्न देखी स्वप्न तो बहुत अच्छी किंतु जगन्नाथ बेगर आशीर्वाद किसी संभव नुह कि जगन्नाथ समय मैंने आशीर्वाद कर सब प्रकार ये देखुंट मैंने आपण मैंने निजे भावी पारे आप आसुले 15 वर्ष तले आसुले आज भी आसुँच से आम कहवाटा कौन हम कि बहुत आहरी नूतन कार्य तत्पर अच्छु जगन्नाथ चाहिए सब
आज केते भक्त अनुमानित केते भक्त उपस्थित अच्छा कौन सब व्यवस्था कर
बर्तमान सका देखुची 7:30 प्राय भक्त मैंने आसुँच मैंने रेगुलर 20,000 भक्त आसिक बहुत लोक दर्शन कर मैंने जो नववर्ष हो तो दर्शन जगन्नाथ आशीर्वाद आसी दर्शन कर जा सारे किसी लोक प्रसाद पाइबे 10,000 लोक प्रसाद भी व्यवस्था शांति शृंखला सहित समस्त क्षमता आम रिक्वेस्ट
आज केंद्र मंत्री
हाँ आज आम केंद्र मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान धर्मपति और आसी आशीर्वाद नहीं गले स्थानीय विधायक आमर सोमनाथ भारती भी सी भी आसिक आशीर्वाद नहीं गले से भी बहुत प्रकार विशिष्ट लोक आसिक दर्शन कर सब प्रकार व्यवस्था है।
धन्यवाद।
Key committee members and temple manager Mr. Rashmi Ranjan Behera supported the celebrations throughout the day. 2. After 5 centuries, the opening of the temple for Lord Sri Ram in Ayodhya was celebrated throughout India with lights and pujas. The Sri Jagannath temple in Delhi held a special puja with Homam, Yagya, and Nam Sankirtan. Artists performed hymns from 10 a.m. to evening, and meals were served. Union Minister Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav took part in the Yagya and watched the Ayodhya inauguration live. Key temple officials also attended the event.
आज ऐतिहासिक दिन भारतवर्षर संस्कृति भारतवर्षर गौरव जहाँ 140 कोटी भारतीयों जहाँ आम समस्त संकल्प से संकल्प को आज प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी जहाँ संकल्प से संकल्प आज पूरा है आज प्रभु श्री राम भव्य मंदिर रे आज प्राण प्रतिष्ठा है आम समस्त को गौरव।
4. Last year, the worship of goddess Mata Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, occurred on the 5th day of Magh, which was 14th February. On this day, people performed virtuous activities, believing they were blessed by Ma Saraswati. Devotees gathered to offer flowers, and children started their studies by touching chalk known as Khadi Chuan. 5. The 46th foundation day of Sri Jagannath Temple was celebrated on 14th February. Temple Secretary Mr. Rabindra Pradhan and his wife, Mrs. Savita Pradhan, fasted and offered prayers for peace. Priests recited Vedic mantras, and the yajna was completed in the evening.
नीलाचल सेवा संग्रह माने आरंभ करी बापा थे महाराजा प्रधान आज एत बाट आसीपारि आरंभ कर समस्ते आपण मान स्वेच्छा जगन्नाथ भक्त नाम हो श्री नीलाचल से मैंने आज आप काठ पूजा से आज प्रसादन व्यवस्था देखा से आहरी बढ़ी चलो कमी समस्त को आपलिया हो चाहे पब्लिक हो चाहे
सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम
संध्या आज तो रखा जाए व्यवस्था अच्छी संस्कृत बहुत ही सर्ट डिसाइड है कमिटी डिसाइड निश्चय जिनसा
7. On 8th March last year, the Mahashivratri Jagar Amavasya was celebrated at the Mahadev Gaurishankar temple with devotion. Mr. Bijay Sahu and his wife led a Shiv Mahayagya. Devotees fasted, cultural performances occurred, and Mahadeep was illuminated after prasad distribution. Pakhal Divas is an important part of our culture, celebrating Lord Jagannath. Sri Neelachal Seva Sangh organizes this celebration globally on 20th March each year. During the last celebration, pakhal and special dishes were served to devotees in clay pots. 9 Chaiti Parv, Pona Sankranti, and Utkalya Nav Varsh were celebrated with great enthusiasm at the Sri Jagannath temple. Special pujas took place at Ma Bimala and Ma Tarini temples, with Khiri and Pona Bhog offered. A Homo Yagya was held for the Tarini temple's Pratishtha Divas festival. Mr. Rankanidhi Sahu and his wife made offerings during the Yagya. In the evening, Pona Bhog was given to thousands of devotees at the temple entrance. 10. On the 10th day of the sacred Akshaya Tritiya of this month, new wood for the chariot was worshipped and 2 woodcarvers participated in the rites. 11. On Dev Snan Purnima, the Shri Jiu festival was celebrated in the temple's Snan Mandap following traditional rituals. After the daily rituals, the deity was moved to the Snan Mandap with chanting and sounds of conch and bells. Ganga water mixed with fragrant water was used for the Mahasnan ritual, led by temple worshippers. The event included notable guests like retired Judge Mr. Arjit Pashayat, followed by an elephant procession and the transportation of the idol to the Grand Palace in the evening. 12. In celebration of Rath Yatra, the Sri Jagannath Temple in Hauz Khas, Delhi, has been hosting this event since 1979 to promote the culture of Sri Jagannath. Due to COVID-19 restrictions, the past 2 years saw limited rituals with only a few devotees present. However, in 2024, the festival was celebrated joyfully, attracting lakhs of devotees. After the deity's rituals, devotees paraded the deity on an 18-foot chariot, pulled through various locations. Union Minister Mr. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat participated and unveiled a book by journalist Mr. Lakshmi Narayan Bevarta, while other dignitaries supported the event's success. 13. On this day last year, the return journey Bahura Yatra of Sri Jiu was celebrated with joy. After retired Supreme Court Judge Mr. Arjit Pashayat performed his duties, devotees gathered from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. to witness the procession, assist in chariot pulling, and enjoy cultural activities. Offerings like khechuri, haluya, and gajmukh bhog were shared with visitors. After completing chariot rituals, devotees pulled the chariot to Aurobindo Market and returned. 14. A cultural program honoring Sri Gundicha featured bhajans and various dance performances, including Odissi, Kathak, Pala, and Sambalpuri. Notable artists like Mr. Swasat Joshi and bhajan singer Mr. Charan Mohanty participated. Guru Mr. Sahat Joshi, Mrs. Ashima Panda, Mrs. Deeptimi Das, Mrs. Mansi Das, Mrs. Jayashri Dhal, Mr. Premanand led the modern and Odissi performance. The events drew 500 to 700 devotees each evening, and Sri Neelachal Seva Sangh provided Anna Bhog Prasad throughout the 10-day period. On the 8th Tithi of Shravan, the Janmashtami festival for Sri Madan Mohan and Sri Krishna was celebrated with devotion. Mr. Bijay Sahu served as the priest. The Ashtprahar Nam Yagya occurred, and city chanting happened, with the Dahi Handi broken around 11 p.m. The celebration was organized by Temple Secretary Mr. Rabindra Pradhan, other devotees, and senior temple staff.
जला चलो हो गया
17. The celebration of Shri Ganesh Puja happened on the 4th day of Shukla Paksha in Bhadra. Devotees visited the temple, worshipping Shri Siddh Vinayak Shri Ganesh with joy and traditional rituals. 18. In celebration of Durga Puja, rituals were held for Ma Bimala and Ma Tarini at the temple. Chandi Pat and Homa Yagya were performed with Pana and Khiri Bhog offered. Mr. Kshirot Patra and the temple committee took part in the Yagya with their offerings.
Yes.
19. On Gajalakshmi Puja during Kumar Purnima, worship of goddess Lakshmi and a yagna occurred. Virgin girls observed the Chand Ballan ceremony in the evening. 20. During Kartik Purnima, Sri Jagannath is dressed in golden attire, Suna Besh, symbolizing wealth and beauty. The Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh manages the temple, allowing many devotees to see Thakur in his golden form. A cultural program included performances by Hindi bhajan artist JSR Madhukar for over 5,000 attendees. Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh held a Boto Bandhan ceremony to honor Utkal's naval trade and raise youth awareness. The event featured chants, conch shells, and bells. Mrs. Mridula Thakur Pradhan and Temple Secretary Mr. Rabindra Pradhan released a decorated sail, promoting the preservation of traditions. Mr. Rashmi Ranjan Behera organized it. 22. On Prathamastami, a special worship for Lord Balbhadra was held, with Induri Pitha Bhog offered near Lord Jiu. 23. In observance of the Dev Diwali festival, Sri Nilachal Seva Sangha celebrated the Dev Diwali of Mahaprabhu according to Puri Sri Mandir traditions. The temple was illuminated with bright lamps for 3 days. Worshippers dressed Mahaprabhu in white and performed rituals for their ancestors. 24. The temple has been preparing daily offerings of Muan for deities during morning puja since last Dhanu Sankranti until Makar Sankranti. Additionally, last year, the temple celebrated a number of other festivals, including Amla Navami, Devabhishek Purnima, Chitalgi Amavasya Dolo Purnima, Raksha Bandhan Sankranti, Shri Ram Navami, Sheetal Sashti, Hira Panchami, Shri Jiu Niladri Bijay, and Margshir Mas Gurubar, following the established rules and traditions. Our senior special correspondent, Mr. Lakshmi Narayan Beborta, from Sigma Media Lab English in New Delhi, has delivered extensive documentary information.